Hello everybody, this is Nora with NQ57, and on this video today I bring you a review from AIMEILI. We're going to swatch 6 brand new shades of gel polishes right here. They come in as a kit, in a set as a kit, in this box right here, very nicely packaged, and these are very soft neutral colors. I really like this color scheme. We're going to see in a minute just what they look like. And then they also sent me their brand new matte top coat. Check it out, guys. Yes, it's a matte top coat. I know you can't see, I'm just showing you the label. But I am going to finish I'm going to show you, I'm going to put these over the swatches of the colors so we get to see what they look like in their glossy stage as well as matted, because I know these are just going to be perfect for this matte look, especially this time of year. The sweater weather in many areas, and they will look very pretty. I do have a couple of designs that I got to do on my left hand as I was swatching a couple of them while I was still in school. So I will show you, I will leave you with those pictures at the end, but for now let's go ahead and start with the swatches. I hope you enjoy. Okay guys, so here are all 6 colors. These are 87 through 92, and yes, beautiful gray polishes, gray formula, great formulas, great colors. If you're into nudes and grays or neutrals, these are perfect. These are beautiful, and they're perfect for the in-between seasons. So let me tell you, okay, so the lightest gray is this one, the very first one, number 87, and the darkest one is the one right next to it, number 88. 89 does have to kind of tend to have that periwinkle undertones with it. Then another true gray and a more medium is this one, and guys, let's see, is this one it? No, this one's, yes, oh my gosh, number 90. We have 87, 88, 89, 90. Yes, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but OMG, it has that natural unicorn finish to it, that beautiful pearlescent. So all the other 5 are just perfect creams. They're just creams, cream base, cream formula. This one is got that semi-metallic look with the beautiful pearlescent shimmer. OMG, is just absolutely beautiful. You see, when I don't know if you can tell from the lighting, but as I shift it or move it around, I can see the pink, you know, just like as if you had finished it with that unicorn pink powder. That's what that looks like. Natural, just out of the bottle. That's the finish that you get. Absolutely beautiful. And these are the finished 2 coats on all the colors. No top coat yet, because this is their natural shine, their natural glossy finish, and I'm going to finish them with a matte top coat here in a minute. Now this one here has that lilac look, or purple, very muted. Very beautiful for the fall. And then this one has some, I would say like kind of like the green, number 92. It's like some hunter green undertones there, but beautiful formulas from AIMEILI. Now I'm going to top coat these with their matte top coat, and let's see what they look like. Okay guys, so here they all are with the matte top coat. Aren't they still very velvety looking? So beautiful. I mean, you use that matte top coat and you just double your collection. Look at that. And now, in looking at my favorite one here, the number 90. Is it 90? Yes, number 90. So you do not completely, I was curious what was going to happen. You do not completely lose the unicorn effect. There is that semi-pearlescent look in there, shifting. I don't think the camera's going to pick it up at all. I do see some pink shimmer. I don't know if I would call it shimmer, but I do see that poking through. I do see it when I shift with the light shifting. Very, very cool. So here they're all finished. Beautiful coverage with 2 coats, and that is absolutely beautiful. Just perfect. I really do love AIMEILI's formula. They work really well, and I'm looking forward to using them on my clients now, guys. So I have a great collection of AIMEILI polishes, AIMEILI gel polishes that I'm bringing to my shop. So this is it, guys. If you have any questions, I will have all the links down in the description bar below. If you have questions, please leave them below, and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank AIMEILI for sending me this beautiful collection to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.